Instagram just rolled out a new update that I think could be one of the biggest changes to the platform, and that's bringing e-commerce shopping right onto the platform. This is really to start to compete with Amazon, and it's been there a little bit, but this new update really brings it in the forefront. If it's your first time here, I make really easy to follow Instagram and social media videos 5 times a week, so please consider subscribing. Let me show you how it works here. So previously, if you went onto a post, sometimes you saw this gift bag and these dots. So if you clicked on it, you see a couple of the items that were for sale on an Instagram feed post. So if I clicked each one, I could view it on the website and I could go ahead and learn more about the product. And that was previously just in the Instagram feed. And this page, for example, has a lot of different ones. Each one that has a shopping bag there. If you click the shopping bag, it shows you everything that's shown here. You could click each one and you could check out. But now they've added 2 new things. One is you could now inside of Instagram story have the same option to shop items. So now a lot of times you're gonna see, if you go to your explore page, so where you could search and you could see categories on top, now there is a new category called shopping. Now this is not available just yet to all accounts. In fact, I checked all my 4 accounts and I don't have it just yet, only because this was rolled out a couple of hours ago. So if you see this in September 2018, it might not still be there. So give it a little time, update your Instagram app, and it should roll out. You should have a new shopping tab that looks just like this, where you could start exploring and using Instagram as a shopping platform. So between the shopping stickers inside of Instagram story and the shopping category under the explore page, Instagram is trying to move in towards an e-commerce website, as well as what it is already to compete with Amazon. And there is talks of Instagram building a separate independent shopping app, so we'll see how that rolls out in the future. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more easy to follow social media videos posted every single day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.